Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your CFA account. First, you have to open your Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer. And in the top section right over here, that is your URL section. Type down CFA Institute and enter it after, or you can also pick just by from the search option right over here. And you can directly click on this option that says login to your account, or you can also visit the CFA Institute in order to get to know more. And here we could see we just landed to the CFA Institute official homepage, and in the top right corner that says login or create. So if you have not enrolled your account or registered an account, you can click on this option in order to make one. So as I'm going to log in right over here, click on that, and then you'll get into an interface like this. And in order to sign in, you can enter your email address just like this. And after that, you can click on this continue, and then also you'll be required with your password. And then you can simply click on the continue option, and then you'll be successfully logged into your CFA Institute. And if you do not have an account, you can click in this option that says sign up now, and then you'll be able to register your account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.